Hello and welcome to Learn English Through Videos, where your journey toward a better life begins right here, right now. This isn't just another English lesson. This is your moment, a chance to wake up, to take control, and to start shaping the future you've always dreamed of. If you listen closely, this video might be the turning point you've been waiting for. Let me ask you something. Are you truly satisfied with your life today? Are you proud of the person you're becoming? If you hesitated even for a second, then this video is for you. Because here's the truth. Learning English is more than a skill. It's a key that can open doors to better opportunities, more freedom, and the life beyond limits. But it all starts with a decision. The decision to stop waiting and start becoming. If you've been holding yourself back, doubting your ability, or thinking maybe someday, then listen carefully. That someday is now. You have everything it takes to succeed, and this is your first step. Let's begin. Let's get real. Your life isn't going to change by accident. Success doesn't happen because of luck, talent, or some magical moment. It happens when you take control. Most people wait. They wait for the perfect time, the perfect plan, the perfect feeling. But that time never comes. The truth is, the only way to change your life is to change yourself. Stop blaming your circumstances. Stop saying, I don't have time, or I'm not good at English. Those are just excuses, comfortable lies we tell ourselves to avoid discomfort, to avoid responsibility. Do you know why most people never succeed? It's not because they're not smart. It's not because they didn't have a chance. It's because they didn't take action. They spent years waiting, wishing, and wondering instead of doing. Look at anyone you admire. Do you think they had it easy? Oprah Winfrey was told she would never make it. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. But they didn't give up. They didn't sit around hoping. They worked, they failed, they got back up. And that's what made them great. Now ask yourself, what's stopping you? If you're honest, you'll realize it's not your age, your job, or your background. It's your mindset. It's your habits. It's your fear. But here's the good news. All of that can change. Today can be the day you stop making excuses. Today can be the day you decide to act, to grow, to commit. Learning English won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Because when you master English, you're not just learning a language, you're unlocking a new world. So stop waiting. Start doing. Your future is waiting for you to catch up. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath. Now imagine the life you truly want. Not the life you've been settling for, the life you dream about when no one's watching. Picture this. You wake up in the morning in a beautiful place, the kind of home that makes you feel proud every time you open your eyes. You walk into the kitchen and everything around you feels like success. You've got peace, you've got freedom. You check your phone and see messages from people all around the world because you speak English confidently. You've made connections, found opportunities, and stepped into a world you never thought you could be part of. Your parents are smiling. They're no longer worrying about bills or the future because you've taken care of them. You've become someone they can proudly say, that's my child. You've earned it, not through luck, but through focus, discipline, and the decision to change. Now open your eyes. Does that life feel far away? It's not. That life is possible, but it won't come to you. You have to go out and build it. And it all starts with one powerful tool, English. With this language, you can cross borders, break barriers, and create a life bigger than you imagined. But the question is, are you willing to chase it? Let's talk about your habits, the quiet actions that shape your entire life. Whether you realize it or not, your daily choices are either pushing you forward or pulling you backward. Every hour spent mindlessly scrolling through social media, every night wasted on Netflix marathons, every moment lost in meaningless distractions, That's your future slipping through your fingers, and you know it. You feel it. Deep down, there's a voice inside you that whispers, you could be doing more. But you silence it with excuses. You tell yourself you're tired, that you'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. Here's the truth. Your habits are either building your future or destroying it. And if you don't control them, they will control you. Now imagine replacing just one of those wasted hours with something powerful. 15 minutes of English listening practice, 10 new words a day, a single page of an English book. That's how real change starts. Not with huge, impossible goals, but with small, consistent steps that build momentum.
The most successful people in the world don't waste time. They invest it. They understand that time is the most valuable currency they have. And once it's gone forever. So ask yourself, are your habits helping you become the person you want to be, or are they keeping you stuck? You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Replace one bad habit today with one powerful habit, and you'll already be ahead of who you were yesterday. That's how you win. That's how you grow. And that's how you master English. Not overnight, but over time with discipline and purpose. Think about your parents for a moment. Think about everything they've done for you. Your mother carried you in her womb for 9 months, sacrificed her sleep, her health, and her dreams so you could have a chance at life. Your father worked long days, sometimes nights, just to make sure there was food on the table and a roof over your head. They gave everything they had so you could have more. And now it's your turn. What are you doing to make them proud? What are you doing to give back? Learning English is not just about improving your own life. It's about lifting your entire family. Imagine this. One day, you walk into your parents' home and hand them the keys to a new house. Your mother's eyes fill with tears. Your father smiles in silence, the kind of proud smile that says, you did it. And you did it because you chose to learn. You chose to grow. You chose to fight for something better. This journey isn't just yours, it's theirs too. Every lesson you complete, every word you learn, it brings you one step closer to giving them the life they deserve. So the next time you feel like giving up, remember who you're doing this for. You're not just learning English for yourself. You're doing it for the people who never gave up on you. Make them proud. Let's be honest. Success is not supposed to be easy. If it were, everyone would have it. But most people quit when things get uncomfortable. They stop when it gets hard. And that's exactly why they stay stuck. If you want real change, if you want to be great at anything, including English, you need to make a choice. Comfort or growth. You can't have both. Growth demands sacrifice. It means waking up early when your body screams for sleep. It means studying when your friends are out having fun. It means saying no to distractions and yes to your goals. There's a story about a young man who asked a mentor, what's the secret to success? The mentor took him to the beach, walked into the water, and held the young man's head underwater. The man struggled, panicked, and finally came up gasping for air. Then the mentor said, when you want success as badly as you want it to breathe, that's when you'll have it. So ask yourself, how badly do you want it? How serious are you about changing your life? Learning English isn't just about studying words. It's about changing habits, shifting priorities, and committing to the hard work. The rewards are there, but only for those who stay disciplined. If you're willing to give up short-term comfort, you'll gain long-term freedom. Don't wait for motivation. Build discipline. Do what needs to be done even when you don't feel like it. That's where success begins. Look around you. Who are you spending your time with? Are they lifting you higher or pulling you down? The people in your life matter more than you think. If you surround yourself with complainers, doubters, and quitters, it's only a matter of time before you become one of them. But if you surround yourself with driven, positive, focused people, everything changes. Success isn't just about what you do. It's also about who you allow into your world. If your friends laugh at your goals or make fun of you for learning English, maybe it's time to walk away. Protect your environment like your life depends on it, because it does. Growth requires space, and sometimes that means letting go of people who don't want to grow with you. It's not easy, but it's necessary. You don't owe anyone your future. You owe it to yourself to become the best version of who you are. So build an environment that challenges you, supports you, and believes in your potential. Because when your surroundings change, your life starts to change too. Here's the truth that no one else may tell you. You have to believe in yourself, even when no one else does. The world is full of noise. People will doubt you. They'll say you're not smart enough, not talented enough, not good enough. But their opinions don't define you. You do. And it all starts with how you speak to yourself. Every day, you have a choice: to feed your mind with doubt or to fill it with belief. Start small. Say it out loud. I can speak English. Say it again. I am learning every day. I am getting better every day. These are not just words. They are seeds. And whatever you plant in your mind will grow. If you plant fear, you'll grow hesitation.
But if you plant confidence, you'll grow courage. At first, it might feel strange to say things like, I am capable, I am powerful, I will succeed. But your mind listens to your voice more than anyone else's. Speak like someone who is becoming the person they were meant to be. Say it, believe it, and repeat it until it becomes your truth. Because when you truly believe in yourself, there's nothing you can't achieve. Here's the truth that no one else may tell you. You have to believe in yourself, even when no one else does. The world is full of noise. People will doubt you. They'll say you're not smart enough, not talented enough, not good enough. But their opinions don't define you. You do. And it all starts with how you speak to yourself. Every day, you have a choice: to feed your mind with doubt or to fill it with belief. Start small. Say it out loud. I can speak English. Say it again. I am learning every day. I am getting better every day. These are not just words. They are seeds. And whatever you plant in your mind will grow. If you plant fear, you'll grow hesitation. But if you plant confidence, you'll grow courage. At first, it might feel strange to say things like, I am capable, I am powerful, I will succeed. But your mind listens to your voice more than anyone else's. Speak like someone who is becoming the person they were meant to be. Say it, believe it, and repeat it until it becomes your truth. Because when you truly believe in yourself, there's nothing you can't achieve. Success doesn't happen overnight. It's not one big moment that changes everything. It's 1,000 small choices stacked on top of each other. Too often, people get overwhelmed by the size of their dreams. They want to speak fluent English, get a high-paying job, travel the world, but they forget that it all starts with a single step. One small action, done consistently, can change your entire life. Learn 5 new English words today. Watch one short video in English and write down what you understand. Read just one paragraph from a book. It might not feel like much right now, but those small habits are building something powerful. In 1 year, that's 1,825 new words. That's 365 videos. That's a new version of you. Most people wait for motivation, but the successful ones build momentum through action. They don't wait to feel ready. They just start, because they know the hardest part is often the first step. Don't underestimate the power of small things done with intention. Big change is simply small progress repeated over time. So forget perfection. Forget waiting. Start small, but start now. Every time you choose action over excuses, you get stronger. Every small victory builds your confidence. And over time, those little wins add up to a life you never thought possible. Step by step, word by word, you're becoming unstoppable. This is it. The moment you stop just thinking about change and actually start creating it. No more waiting for the perfect day. No more telling yourself, I'll start tomorrow. The truth is, there is no perfect time. There's only now. Right now, you have a choice. You can go back to your old habits, your old mindset, your old life. Or you can draw a line and say, enough. I'm ready to grow. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. Start with one goal. Commit to learning English every single day. Speak it, listen to it, live it, and don't stop. Not when you're tired, not when it's hard, not when no one's watching. Because this journey isn't about impressing others. It's about becoming the version of yourself that you were always meant to be.
So leave a comment and tell the world what you're committing to today. Subscribe, share this with someone who needs it, and let's grow together. You have one life. Don't waste it waiting. You are powerful, you are capable, and your future is waiting. Go take it.